here we go. Just want to do a quick video to introduce you to the Nettl's range of business cards. So it's time to get acquainted with our range of cards. No particular order. So very common, this one. This is a 400 GSM matte laminated business card. The actual lamination is biodegradable, nice good thickness, printed in full colour to both sides. There's no extra cost for that. Again, here's a fine example of a 400 GSM silk shaped business card. These can actually be cut out to any unique shape, so it makes them stand out from the rest. Some shapes can mean you can get less on the card though. This monster is 300 GSM uncoated business card, so really good high definition print quality. Again, printed full colour. All these are printed full colour both sides. Just a smooth white uncoated board, so a nice sort of nice feel to it. Not the thickest of cards, but pretty 300 GSM uncoated board is pretty standard. This example here I've got is a 400 GSM laminated gloss card. This particular one is folded as well, so it's got the gloss lamination on the outer side, and it's also folded, giving you a lot more space to promote all your products and services. Here we have a 400 GSM silk business card, so that's just a standard, nice good quality thickness, but no lamination on these cards at all. Again, just like the 300 GSM uncoated we had, but this has also got embossed silver foil, to one side, so it gives a nice sheen. You can really use the foiling. It's available in gold, bronze and silver. This is a golf club membership card, so it's actually quite thick, 760 micron, with a matte finish, so it's not glossy. Great quality for membership cards. Also, you can have a signature strip on the back of the card as well. And here's an example of a 400 GSM matte copper foiled business card, very similar to my Nettl ones, if you've seen those, with the website print and signs in big letters on the back, nice and shiny, really good effect. So yeah, copper foil, very stylish. Again, nice good quality thickness. If you're on a budget and you're getting through thousands and thousands of cards, if you bring the weight down to 280 gram, this is a gloss coated board, 280 GSM. So it's quite flimsy, but it'll withstand, it'll go under a windscreen wiper or through a letterbox quite easily. Great quality, print quality throughout. Another example of a 300 gram uncoated card, this time with a round shaped edge. And this one's a 400 GSM gloss business card, so it's made on a silk artboard, 50% recycled, and there's a gloss lamination just the front only, so very similar to the folding one we've just seen. Great quality card. I'm not sure if the camera will pick this one up, but this card has actually got embossing on it. So here it's Arrow Recruitment Agency. You can feel the embossing sticks through, and on the other side you can just see it very subtly. I don't know if the camera picks that up too well, but quite expensive to produce because we have to get a die made to do the embossing. So great if you're ordering lots of companies, lots of employees or whatever. So you can have the embossing die made up, and then that can be reused for everyone else's names. This is an example of a 400 GSM matte laminated business card. Again, yep, just printed in colour both sides. There we go, just a few ideas. All the range is available on nettl.com /UK/shop. Check out our range of cards. We can also offer template designs if you're in a rush, so you can literally just drop the elements in yourself. But yeah, check it out. Thank you.